When we're talking about dark spots related to shaving, we have to think about what is causing the dark spots. So in this case, we're talking about razor bumps. Razor bumps is what's causing discoloration once those razor bumps go away. And then that discoloration is what we call post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. So this is a condition that tends to affect darker skin people more frequently. So we got to get the razor bumps under control. That usually involves two things. Number one, changing the shaving habits. Ideally, avoid shaving at all. If you have to do some kind of hair removal, using a trimmer to keep some kind of stubble would be ideal. And if you do need to use a razor, maybe if your profession requires it, certain police officers, military people sometimes require it, then we recommend shaving. There's a couple things you can do. You can shave with the grain, which means shaving from up to down. You should exfoliate once a week because that can help loosen up the hairs, and you should use a warm water soaked towel draped over the area. So those are ways you can modify your shaving practices, and then there are certain creams that you can use as well, specifically products that have benzoyl peroxide in there that can come in a cream or face wash form, and you can get those over the counter. If that doesn't work, then you may need to see a dermatologist for something a bit stronger, either a topical or oral antibiotic. The most definitive treatment to treat razor bumps would be laser hair removal. In terms of the dark spots left over from the razor bumps, that's that post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation that we were talking about. And you can do things like the lightening creams, which could be prescription or over-the-counter HYDROQUINONE, or you can do the over-the-counter creams that have licorice, vitamin C, soy, arbutin, or procedures like chemical peels. I would not do laser for most cases of hyperpigmentation from razor bumps.